YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind Google, and it can be extremely effective as a marketing tool as long as you think of it as a search engine and not just a place to host videos. Even though it's one of the few platforms online with more than 1 billion users, it can be a lot easier to rank for than normal search because people don't optimize their videos as well as they optimize their blogs or websites. I'm going to cover some basics here first, and then we'll get into how you can attract viewers, optimize your videos, and improve your ranking within YouTube and Google. Just a couple of things I want to mention before you start creating or uploading videos to YouTube. I've seen a number of studies on video length, and if you're going for user attention, you'll definitely want to try to keep your video relatively short. I've seen studies saying anywhere from 60 seconds to 4 minutes is the optimal time, but then I've also seen one sort of observational study. It wasn't really based on a ton of data, and he said that 5 minutes or more results in a better YouTube ranking. So it sort of depends on what you're going for. This little graph you see here on the screen is from a hosting company called Wistia, and they put this together based on research from tens of thousands of videos that they host, and they found out what you probably had already guessed, that the longer a video is, the fewer number of people there are that actually finish it. So you can see here at about the halfway point of a 4-minute video, half of your audience is gone. So only like 50% of you guys are still here, so that's nice. So you're going to have higher retention rates with videos that are 2 minutes or less, but of course you can't really get an in-depth how-to video under 2 minutes, although you could definitely do that with a promo for your brand or a quick tip. If you're looking for higher retention though, maybe break up your longer video into smaller parts. This basically guarantees that your part 2 and part 3 show up as the top suggestion after they finish the first or second video, and it'll give your channel a little more authority. You just don't want to force it under a certain length because you want higher retention. There are a lot of factors that go into your YouTube ranking besides the percentage of the video watched, and people are still going to subscribe, share, give you thumbs up, and comment even if they don't watch the whole video. I just want to digress here for a second. I don't really agree with this whole notion of people having shorter attention spans now. If you're entertaining people and they enjoy what they're watching, they're going to stick around as long as they don't have anything else to do. If you're not, they're going to move on to something else, just like anything else. So regardless of the length, you just want to keep it engaging. By the way, you're going to be limited to 15-minute videos until you verify your account. You can do that at youtube.com/verify, and all you have to do is have a text message or a phone call made to your phone, and then you'll be verified and you'll be allowed to choose the thumbnail that displays for your video, make your videos longer than 15 minutes, and monetize your videos. To choose the thumbnail, all you have to do is click the option that says custom thumbnail as you go to upload a video, like you see here in the screenshot with the arrow pointing to it. And the great thing about this is that a YouTube video shows up with this thumbnail next to it in Google search results, and thumbnails and pictures next to a result tend to increase clicks to your videos significantly, even when it's not the #1 result. And in a way, getting a thumbnail next to your video is a little like claiming Google authorship. If you're not familiar, Google authorship was a way for content writers to get their pictures displayed next to their articles in the Google search results. So if you did a search for something, you would sometimes see articles with Google Plus profile pictures next to them. And these pictures tended to increase click-through rate or the number of people who clicked on that link significantly, simply because people are attracted to pictures. So if you're upset about the fact that Google took away this option, YouTube videos are a way to get your thumbnail to show up next to your piece of content, and it's really the only type of content now that will show up in the Google search results with a picture next to it. And this is just another great reason to start using YouTube to promote your business, and another reason why it's such a great social media platform.